Hi, Mr. Max here. So I'm doing geometrical constructions. So I'm just going to assume that you have the same textbook and you can perhaps follow what I'm doing. So you have got a bunch of questions here, and we are supposed to construct a quadrilateral, all right, with AB equals to 10, and then we're supposed to draw the line AB, and so on and so on. So what is important here is that you pause and then you have a look at this particular question, and we're going to try to attempt to solve it. Right, so the normal thing, you must make yourselves a sketch so that you know how the diagram will look like. All right, and then you obviously, if you were to do that particular that particular quadrilateral, if you were following the questions, this is what I needed you to be able to find. So Roman 1, the question is asking you what type of pair of quadrilateral it is. It's a parallelogram. And how do you know that? Is because the opposite angles are equal as well as the opposite sides are equal. That is, side ZW and XY are equal, and ZY and WX are equal. And then angle ZYX, for example, is equal to angle XWZ. All right, so you need a protractor and you need a compass, a pair of compass, in order for you to do this. You do not rub out your constructions. The second question, again, you're supposed to draw a triangle, ACE. So this is an equilateral triangle. So when you make yourselves a sketch, you realize that you are dealing with an equilateral triangle, and also make sure that you understand your scale. Okay, so your triangle should look something like that, and when you're asked to measure that angle, CAE should be about 64, maybe 65 will accept, but 64 degrees. Right, then there was a question 3 also from your particular textbook, y equals mx plus c. So you go through the questions and then you follow, but the final diagram that you should have, and also the answers to some of the questions, is you'll find it, this is a triangle, and then you're going to find this particular question. So you see I made a sketch here, so you're going to find the answers to this on the next slide. A straight edge is a ruler, and then you have a compass, and you'll be needing all of these instruments. So after you do everything, this is exactly your shape. This is what I was expecting for you to get in that particular question. All right, so I'll suggest that it's a very short video. It's just a slide explaining how your answers should have been, or how your constructions, your triangles and the quadrilateral you were supposed to draw, how it was supposed to look like. All right, so I suggest that you go back to your textbook and you have a look at this particular question. At a later stage, I'm going to draw these shapes, and I'm going to record a video where you can see exactly how I do exactly the same questions using the instruments. Okay.